Hi, welcome to Enphase. In this session, we will walk you through about the IQ Relay features, installation and commissioning guidelines. The IQ Relay acts as grid monitoring and disconnection device that has a built-in phase coupler to distribute the power line communication signals across phases. IQ Relay physically disconnects from IQ series microinverter systems from the grid when it senses voltage and frequency abnormalities, loss of mains from the grid, or as required by grid regulations to improve the system reliability. It automatically reconnects when valid grid conditions resume. IQ Relay is easy to install, DIN rail mounted, and can be connected to up to a 20 amps branch for both single phase and 3-phase IQ series microinverter systems. As we can see on the top, we have PV terminals where we are connecting solar connections. Similarly, at the bottom, we have grid terminals where we are connecting grid reference connections. You can see them printed on the device. LEDs indicate the functioning of the IQ relay. The voltage LEDs V1, V2, V3 indicates the voltage status, whereas the above LED indicates the frequency status. IQ Relay is an IP20 device that must be placed inside an IP54 or a better enclosure. Please do not expose the enclosure to a direct sunlight. It is highly recommended to keep it in a shaded area. We will now demonstrate how to configure IQ Relay for a single-phase system. To begin with, turn on the power supply to the IQ Relay. Wait for LEDs to get stable. Press and hold the test button. Phase voltage indicators V1, V2, V3 and the frequency indicator Hertz will turn red and the relay will click. After approximately 6 seconds, the phase voltage LEDs will start flashing red. The number of red LEDs flashing corresponds to the number of phases. A sequence of 3, then 2, then 1 flashing LEDs is repeated. Release the test button when the appropriate number of LEDs are flashing. We have now configured the IQ Relay for a single-phase system. Now we will look into IQ Relay configuration for a 3-phase system. For a 3-phase system, we have to provide a power supply to all 3-phase terminals, both on PV side and grid side. Default IQ Relay configuration is set to 3-phase. Turn on the power supply to the IQ Relay. Wait for LEDs to get stable. All voltage LEDs V1, V2, V3 and frequency Hertz will turn green. Now the IQ Relay has been configured for a 3-phase system.